Hi everyone, in today's lesson, we're going to talk about conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that connect other words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. Understanding how to use them can help you create more complex and interesting sentences. Let's dive in. Firstly, let's look at the types of conjunctions. There are three main types. Coordinating conjunctions join two or more items of equal importance. Examples include and, but, or, and so. Subordinating conjunctions join an independent clause with a dependent clause. Examples include because, although, if, and when. Lastly, correlative conjunctions work in pairs to join equal elements. Examples are either, for, neither, nor, and both, and. How? Let's see some examples of coordinating conjunctions in action. 1. I wanted to go for a walk, but it started to rain. 2. She likes to read, and she also enjoys writing. 3. You can have tea or coffee. These conjunctions help to connect ideas of equal importance in a sentence. Next, here are some examples of subordinating conjunctions. 1. We stayed inside because it was raining. 2. Although he was tired, he finished his homework. 3. Call me if you need anything. Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause, adding more detail to the sentence. Finally, let's look at correlative conjunctions. 1. Either you can come or you can stay at home. 2. She is both intelligent and hardworking. 3. Neither the manager nor the employees knew about the change. Correlative conjunctions always come in pairs and join equal elements in a sentence. Now let's practice with some sentences. Repeat after me. 1. I wanted to buy the book, but it was too expensive. 2. Although it was cold, we went for a walk. 3. She can either drive or take the bus. Practicing these sentences will help you get a better grasp of how to use conjunctions correctly. To sum up, conjunctions are essential for connecting words, phrases, and clauses in a sentence. Understanding the different types of conjunctions and how to use them will improve your writing and speaking skills. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more language tips and lessons.